Hi everybody, Louise here. So I think it's about 1:30 in the morning. I've just got back in from being out and had a lovely time with my friend in my hometown. We went for a beautiful meal and then went out for some drinks. But I actually just wanted to do a Facebook Live just to clear up some confusion that seems to have appeared on my Facebook timeline while I've been out this evening. So I posted a picture of me this evening in a nice dress, and I literally put living the crypto lifestyle. Now I want to clear up some confusion that has really peed me off tonight, and I refuse to let it ruin my evening, but I just want to actually put the record straight. So when I refer to the crypto lifestyle in hashtags, it has nothing to do with money. Absolutely nothing. So the people that don't know me and have only been following my page for a short space of time, yes, I'm in crypto and I absolutely love it, but I've been an entrepreneur for 13 years. I started out selling on eBay in 2004, and for 13 years I've absolutely grafted and worked my ass off, and for the last since 2010, since 2016, I was working 7 days a week. I was often working 12 to 18-hour days from home, and in the last 4 years I've had a wedding stationery business. I haven't been able to go out much on a weekend. I could never go on holiday apart from a structured 2 weeks here or 2 weeks there. I literally worked non-stop all the time. So when I'm referring to crypto lifestyle, it's because it's changed my life. I can now go out with my friends. I can now take my mum out for a meal. I can treat her. You know, my crypto lifestyle is not based around money. It's based around my time freedom. And the reason why I'm doing what I do and I share my story and my life on Facebook is to show other people that you can do the same. It's nothing about bragging to do with money. I don't earn huge amounts of money at all compared to a lot of my marketing friends because I'm new. I'm 6 months into the industry and I've had great results. But when I show my income proof, it's in no way bragging. It's to show people that I'm genuinely making it, because there's a lot of people that lie out there, and I want people to see genuinely how much I'm making. But the money just attracts the tire kickers. The money shots don't attract the people that want to join my team. They attract the people that want to get rich quick, and they're not the people that join me anyway. They're the ones that inbox and ask 100 questions, but they're the ones that never actually take action. So the screenshots is really just to show proof, but I just wanted to come on tonight because I'm not going to let that Jonathan guy ruin my evening. But for him to feel like he needs to publicly try and slate me on my profile, I actually was going to block him. But then I thought, no, I'm going to leave his comments on there for everybody to see, for you to make your own mind up. But I think you can see that I come from a genuine place, and the money that you earn is a byproduct of your success. And the money that you earn is a reflection of how many people you've helped. So I work very, very long hours. I choose to do that. I often go to bed at 3, 4 o'clock every morning. I'm not sure if people are aware of that. And the reason why I go to bed at 3 or 4 in the morning is because I'm dealing with time zones that are different to the UK. That's because I want to help other people be financially free. I could literally just be going to bed at 10 o'clock, watching TV every night, doing fun things all the time, but I'm hustling to have a better life for me. And yes, of course that involves money, but I'm not living a lifestyle that's extravagant. I go out for meals, but so what? But people like to see what I do because I'm an open book. But prior to joining network marketing, I was an open book on Facebook anyway, because I've got friends and family abroad. They like to see what I'm up to. They like to see my holidays. They like to see where I eat out. They like to see what I'm wearing. So I'm no different now doing crypto than what I was before when I had my wedding business. And I've been on Facebook since 2008. And I've just always taken photos. I've always told everyone what I'm up to. I've always kept it positive. And therefore, what you see with me is what you get. I'm not faking anything at all. I work really hard for my money. You know, I live in a small apartment in a small town. I'm not making out as though I'm anything that I'm not. So I just wanted to set the record straight, and I appreciate every single one of you that actually genuinely likes me for me. And all of my followers, it's increasing daily. I truly believe they're following me because I'm giving value and I'm genuinely helping people. And if people think I'm bragging, then they obviously just don't know the true me, because I'm not like that at all. You know, it's like me now, I've taken my makeup off, ready to go to bed, and here I am doing a Facebook Live. I've got like no makeup on. I just don't care. You know, that's not what I'm here for. But I really didn't think by posting a picture of me tonight in a dress that it was going to cause like a negative backfire like that. But I like to think that I'm in the right and he's in the wrong, but I'm not here to get political. But I just wanted to clear up that confusion. So when I wake up tomorrow, I know that I've got like this off my chest and I've set the record straight, and fingers crossed people can see that I'm coming from a good place and I am genuinely there to help people. I'm not after your money. I'm not after making a quick commission. I'm actually after helping people be financially free. And whether that means you leave your 9-to-5 job, or whether it means that you've just got extra money coming in to help you and your family, that's what I'm here to help people do. So whether it's in affiliate marketing, whether it's in cryptocurrency, it really doesn't matter, because it depends what you want as to what I will then offer you. So, you know, please see me as a genuine person that really does care about people. And that's why I'm on Facebook what feels like 24/7, because I'm there to help people. So I'm going to leave it there and I'm going to go to bed now. I think it's about 1:30 in the morning, but I just wanted to say that just so I can go to bed with a clear conscience and wake up tomorrow and enjoy my day. Thanks very much for watching, everybody. Take care. Bye. Oh, before I go, thank you very much for all the comments on my Facebook. I do appreciate it. Bye.